REM is the sweet spot. Our most vivid dreams happen during rapid eye movement sleep, which happens in short episodes throughout the night, work 90 to 120 minutes apart. Weekends help you remember. You are more likely to remember your dreams on weekends or days when you sleep in, because each episode of REM sleep is longer than the last. Pictures are most common. We dream mostly in pictures, with the majority of dreams being mainly visual, with little sound or movement. Your muscles are paralyzed. Most of your muscles become paralyzed during REM sleep, to prevent you from acting out your dreams. Morning is better. Longer dreams occur in the morning hours. We don't all dream in color. 12% of people dream in black and white. Our day informs our dreams. Most of our dreams are linked to thoughts or events from the previous day or two. Strange is normal. Many of our dreams are strange, because the part of the brain responsible for making sense of things searched down during dreaming. Low stress means happy dreams. You are more likely to have pleasant dreams if you are experiencing low stress and feel satisfied in your real life. Women can have wet dreams. Men aren't the only ones who have wet dreams. Women can release vaginal secretions from arousal and even orgasm when having a sexual dream. Sleep position matters. You are more likely to dream about sex if you sleep face down. Sex dreams aren't that common. Approximately 4% of men in a woman's dreams are about sex, according to research. Sleeping face down isn't just associated with more sex dreams, but also dreams about being locked up and being naked, being smothered and unable to breathe, swimming. Women dream about celebrities. Women are twice as likely to have sex dreams about public figures compared to men. If you do sex to a known person in a dream, means you want to be like them. Your feelings come out in dreams. For example, you are more likely to experience negative dreams about a lost loved one if you are suffering from post-traumatic symptoms, guilt or blame over their death. Eating late isn't helpful. Eating before bed makes nightmares more likely because it increases your metabolic signal in your brain to be more active. Fido dreams too. Everyone dreams, including pets. We are forgetful. People forget 95 to 99% of their dreams. We dwell on the negative. Negative dreams are more common than positive ones. Sudden muscle spasms aren't your amazingness, some hypnic dents or stone. Sudden jolts are the feeling of falling that occurs just as you're falling asleep. This may cause falling sensations. Hypnic jerks may be the cause of dreams about falling, which is one of the most common dream themes. Women dream about celebrities. Women are twice as likely to have sex dreams about public figures compared to men. Sleep sex is real. Sleep sex, also called sexomnia, with a sleep disorder, must like sleepwalking, except instead of working a person engages in sexual behavior, like materialism, or intercourse while asleep. Women are more prone to scary dreams. Women have more nightmares than men during the teen and adult years. Men dream about a variety of mentoring offsets with multiple partners, 2 times more than women. Faces are familiar. You likely only dream world faces you have already seen in person or on TV, according to Stanford University. Some believe dreams can't predict the future, though there isn't enough evidence to prove it.